but there can never be a shortage of traffic. This is what I'm trying to explain in the very first place, because there's an unlimited amount of traffic. Because as long as I keep surfing the internet, as long as you keep surfing the internet, as long as that dude out there keeps surfing the internet, and everyone is surfing the internet, meaning there are a lot of potential traffic for you to invest into your phone. Hello, friends. What up? It's actually been a while, and welcome back to another live event with Ron Terry. What I try to do is give you the concept of traffic. So what is traffic? What's traffic? What is internet traffic? And I can be able to generate an unlimited amount of lead on the internet. And looking back to a post on my Facebook profile and on the group like 2 days back, I actually talked about how you can be able to solve your 1,000 clicks and having a zero customer or zero sales from all of those clicks, because those are low traffic platform. Now, this is going to be a long, extensive series because traffic is so massive. Like, there are literally three parts into making money on the internet and actually crushing traffic marketing. The first part is your offer, getting your offer game strong, and the program which you're promoting, getting a proven program which can literally save the people you want to help and actually make you commissions. The second part is actually getting content so you can be able to engage these people and attract them to your show and to your brand, so that they can actually get to do business with you, they get to know you, like you, and trust you, and finally get the offer which you're promoting. Then the third is a traffic program, because you need to send traffic to this content which you use to promote the offer which you have, so that you can get these people to get your offer, to know you, like you, trust you, and actually want to do more business with your brand. So this is actually like the three major important things: your offer and your affiliate program you're promoting, the traffic which you're actually working with, what are you getting traffic to your content. Like, if you can be able to fix these three things, you literally have gold already. So in here, what I'm going to walk you through is the beginning part of it all, which is the intro to the traffic. What is traffic? The beginning framework. What are the different types of traffic on the internet, so you don't go confused. I've seen so many people getting so confused on what traffic is, and it's literally so easy, because traffic is just you and I, like people surfing the internet, having fun, catching trips, doing everything that actually make us happy. These are traffic. I'm a traffic to someone's phone. You traffic to someone's phone. This is just how it works. So let me show you a presentation which I just went through like a couple of minutes back, because I want to make this simple. So let me share with you my screen and what I've got for you today. So if you're in the live, I want to comment hashtag live. If you're in the replay, I want to comment hashtag replay. All right, let's go. Let me share my screen. I'll be taking you through the presentation. All right, we are here. So this is the doc we're going to be working with today. So we're going to be talking about the internet traffic secret. How can you be able to generate unlimited, not just unlimited, quality leads online, like literally leads which are going to buy your stuff, leads which are going to get to your sales page, and not just go back and just turn to clicks. These are leads which are going to turn to referral, which are going to turn to paying customers. How do you get this? How do you get unlimited quality lead? How do you get traffic on the internet? This is what I'm going to be walking you through right now. If you're in the live, comment hashtag live. If you're in the replay, comment hashtag replay. This is another Friday, and let's get stuff fun and do some live training and just go through all of that kind of thing. So what is traffic in the very first place? So traffic, as I said, these are people, literally people. Traffic are people. I say people are people. So traffic are people like you and I. So traffic are people, you and I, with the same problem, interest, curiosity, and hobby, who are looking for similar solutions. This might be financial freedom and getting to live life on our own terms. This might be getting fit and losing weight. This might be having to be more athletes and actually win the Olympic competition. This might be, there are various things a lot of people share in common, and this is how it's being classified into various niches. So everybody are on the internet, everybody are online on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and what got you. We're all making connections and actually enjoying the stuff which we're interested in, or we're constantly searching for the solution which we are finding a problem with, which we might be doing this on social media, search engine platforms like Google, YouTube, and all of this. But there can never be a shortage of traffic. This is what I'm trying to explain in the very first place, because there's an unlimited amount of traffic. Because as long as I keep surfing the internet, as long as you keep surfing the internet, as long as that dude out there keeps surfing the internet, and everyone is surfing the internet, meaning there are a lot of potential traffic for you to invest into your funnel. And in this training, I'm going to try to explain in the intro. As I said, this is the first part. It's going to be like 4-part series. Sorry, 4-part series to walk you through traffic. So at the end of the series, you're going to have a proper framework and the mindset of how the internet traffic actually works, so you can actually know how you can work it out. This is why I actually teach this way, is because I get, if you understand the framework and the very grand principle, you can be able to create as many strategies as you can. You can be able to maneuver the system because you understand what you're doing and the main concepts to what you're doing. So it's going to become more focused and targeted and laser focused. The more focused you get, the more results and the faster you're going to get to the results you want. So traffic, as I said, so we are all branched out on various niches, and we're looking for solutions for our various problems on various search engines in social media platform. Now, not everyone is on social media platform to solve the problem. You might just not be here to have fun, but with those fun, you still have a problem which you're trying to ignore or hide out. And marketers can still target you and get into the funnel as a traffic. So the first thing you need to understand in this training is that traffic are people, and people are you and I, and we all need something, one thing or the other. Meaning that we are all traffic on someone's funnel. Like literally, we're all traffic on someone's funnel. I have a lot of marketers sending me email constantly trying to sell me. I'm on various email lists and all of this. We are all traffic. I'm starting in someone's funnel, you're in someone's funnel, and we're all in someone's funnel. That kind of thing. So traffic, the first thing I want you to understand is traffic is unlimited. As long as there are people keep on spending time on various streaming platforms, means there's going to be an unlimited amount of traffic. So let me dive into the good stuff and just go through the very first part. As I said, I'm not going to go too deep into this. I just want to give you the framework so you understand the 3 types of traffic, how it is, how you can maneuver it and create your stuff to get more traffic to your offers and actually make more sales and close more deals, that kind of stuff. So there are 3 types of traffic on the web. Like literally, there are 3 types of traffic. Wherever way you put it, there are 3 types of traffic on the web. And I get to discover this. I love to make attribution. I get to discover this from the book Traffic Secrets by Wilson Bronson, former CEO of ClickFunnels. And this is it. This is it. Literally, this is it. In the book Traffic Secrets, it shows you the 3 types of traffic on the web. And what are they? The first one is the traffic you earn. So what is the traffic you earn? I'm going to explain in a bit. And the second is the traffic you control. So what are the traffic you control? I'll be explaining in a bit, so just stick with me. And while you are at that, if you're in the live, comment hashtag live. If you're in the replay, comment hashtag replay. And if you're new to the group, comment hashtag new. Really, I've got something special for you. Something super big, literally, it's going to change the game for you. I'm not BSing you around. If you take this offer right now, it can literally be the one thing that will just save you and actually get to start seeing results like super fast than you could have, because literally that special gift is going to change everything for you. So comment new if you're new and see what I've got for you. So these are the 3 types of traffic: the traffic you earn, the traffic you control, and the traffic you own. And these 3 types of traffic are actually branched into other sub regions. Like, as I said, this is broad. I just said the traffic you earn. Like, what the fuck is the traffic you earn? Sorry for my word. What the fuck is the traffic you earn, dude? What is the traffic you control? What is the traffic you own? I'll be explaining a bit, so just chill a bit and stay with me as I go through all of this. I know I love to teach. This is one of my problems. I love the stuff. I love to teach. I love to try to share and enlighten more people of what I've passed through, the struggle which I've faced, because with affiliate marketing, I have faced so many struggles and so many challenges. Like, I've been trying to work this shit out for like 2 years with so many roadblocks, with so many limiting beliefs. Like, I have done so much about this period. It's been so strenuous. Like, I'll be sharing more content about my journey, so you get to see it's literally not all bubbles and pink berries and ice cream and stuff. It's actually not so easy. But momentum, consistency is everything you need to get an hang of this. And this is why I'm here, to try to get you to overcome all of those strenuous parts in my journey. Those times I was trying to figure it out, trying various platforms, blogging, Instagramming, and doing everything I can possibly think of, and getting stuck in the shiny object syndrome. This wasted a lot of my time, and I don't want this for you. This is why I'm trying to get you to understand this in its most simplest form. I'm not trying to confuse you. There are so many people out there that is going to try to confuse you, because the more you get confused, the more you're going to want to get unconfused, and the program is going to be like something that is going to get you unconfused. I'm not here for that. I'm literally here to help as many people as I can. If it's even just one person I can help, I'm super okay because I know I'm leaving an impact and I'm literally saving and helping someone else out there. I don't know if you feeling all of this or you actually also want what you want, which is financial freedom and living your dream life. But if you want that and you're still struggling, I am literally here to help you 100% with no selfish reason. Though I make commissions, but also the very first thing why I'm here is to help you. So the more you see it that way, this is actually the way it actually is. I don't have any other extra motive. See it this way or not, but this is how it actually is on my side. So with this diving deep and the sub-region of each of them. So this is what you want to get. The traffic you earn can actually branch out. So the traffic you earn is actually the organic free traffic. As I said, as you can see, the traffic you earn, meaning you worked for this traffic. You did all the hard labor, you went through the trenches on various social media platforms to get this traffic. And so this is the traffic you earn. So with this traffic you earn, these are organic free traffic. And not just organic traffic, then you also have the algorithm-based traffic. Now, what do we mean by algorithm-based traffic? When you create content for search engine platforms like YouTube and Google or Pinterest or Quora or any search engine platform, what this stuff does is the algorithm is the one that's going to shuffle this content to its users and the way they actually need it and in the way they have been streaming and using the platform over the period of time. I explain more about algorithm based and making passive income on the live training, which was YouTube Passive Income Secrets. If you haven't seen any of that content, Facebook, organic traffic, and all of the past trainings, I actually bundle them up into a membership course type models with 45 lessons to literally give you all the framework and the blueprint to crushing your first 1K in 30 days. And if you haven't seen that yet, comment 1K blueprint and I'm going to send you a special link, or just check out the banner of the group. It's literally there. The link is literally there. Tapino.com/HT1000 and go get your 1K blueprint and get crushing it as much as you can. So back to business. So with the traffic you earn, you get organic free traffic, you get algorithm-based traffic. Now with algorithm-based traffic, when you post on Facebook, you want to go and engage in other people's content and post so that the algorithm can actually promote your content to those people and you can get more engagement and more visibility on your post on Facebook, right? This is what you do, right? Like I've seen many people commenting just one comment, great post, awesome, and all of those, like you're wasting your time because your comment is a seed. You ought to be planting good seed everywhere. But I've seen people do all of this to improve the algorithm so that they can get their content more seen to more people. So these are algorithm favored traffic. And also when you create content for TikTok, when you create content for Instagram, creators platform or YouTube, all of these are algorithm based traffic because when the algorithm sees your content is relevant to the audience you're targeting with a relevant keyword and description and SEO optimization, they are going to send those traffic to there and they're going to test it. And you don't actually know how this stuff works. You just keep going. The algorithm actually tests your content against its audience and get it out there. So you literally don't control the process. You just create content and hope for the best and tweak and check your analysis to see the best performing content for your audience to make it much better. That is known as content marketing and using algorithm-based traffic, SEO traffic, Facebook organic traffic, which if you are using content like you're posting on your profile, your group, Instagram, TikTok, all of those free traffic platforms are algorithm-based traffic you're getting. So the last one, which is the Dream 100 and the traffic you earn. This is also a concept written from Russell Brunson, and you also got it from someone else, like that kind of thing. So what the Dream 100 is like is you working. Now, you're not just working for a particular platform. In that platform, you're working for the experts which have already gotten the traffic which you intend and you are seeking and fighting for. Now, what this means is that you want to get traffic, you want to get customers to your business, you want to get lead on autopilot. Guess what? Someone have already done that. Like there's someone already in the industry which have done that. There are a lot of competitions that people already whooping it in your industry, which have already done what you want to do, which have gathered that group, that following, those lead and not lead which you are seeking for. So what you do is you work for these people so that you can be able to leverage the traffic which you already have to your own funnel, and you can be able to convert them into the third type of traffic, which I'll be explaining down in this video, this live training, down in this live training. So you pick the 100 people in your list. This is your Dream 100. So what you do with this Dream 100 is you work for them you engage on their content, you share them up, you comment on their posts, and you get them to notice you. So what you're doing is that when you're helping them and their audience are going to start seeing you also as an expert and an helping hand, and they're also going to start liking you and wanting to do more stuff with you. Then along the way, you can get a shout out, you can get more engagement, you can share your content to the group and actually leverage their traffic to your own offer. This is the Dream 100 and it's also under the Traffic You Earn. So organic traffic, free traffic, algorithm-based traffic, Dream 100, and working on various social media groups, on various social media platforms like on Facebook groups, trying to scrap leads and content, scrap leads and traffic from various social media, from various Facebook groups. These are all under the Dream 100 and the Traffic You Earn. So the second part of traffic is the traffic you control. So talking about the traffic you control, what these are actually paid ads. So your social media ads, your solo ads, your banner ads, your shout out and all of that. These are actually the traffic you control. And why do I mean these are traffic you control? Because you pay the sum of money to this social media platform, and the minute you give them this money, the minute they'll be like, oh man, okay, what do you want? What do you want? Okay, you want this type of traffic? Okay, just give me a little bit of description of what you want. Do you like a male, female? What age, what gender, what do you want? Okay, give me all the description. All right, I'm going to send those people to your phone right now. So just drop some little bit of coin and a little bit of change, and let's get that transaction done. So you shake hand and you get into business. And this is the traffic you control. Why? Because you can be able to control it to wherever place you want. You can go to Facebook and start running paid ads, and you can literally siphon this traffic to your Facebook blog. You can to your blog on your website, or to your YouTube videos, or to your offers, to your email list. So you can get this traffic to wherever way you want because you control it. But you control this because you're paying for it. So this is a paid traffic. This is why you can never run out of traffic. Like there's an unlimited amount of traffic on the internet, because you can either work for it or you can go the easy route and just pay for it. You see, easy peasy. You can never run out of traffic, unlimited amount of traffic. So traffic can never be a problem. I see people whining and saying traffic problem, traffic problem. There's nothing like traffic problem. There is a traffic problem, but there's nothing like traffic problem. It's just consistency, effort, momentum. If you're working for the traffic you earn and for the traffic you control, it involves creating good content, copywriting, and getting the keyword which is going to get people to take action. So like literally, there's no shortage of traffic. There's always a fishing and funnel, like a funnel problem, a copy problem, which is also content and all of this. But there's not a shortage of traffic and the traffic problem, because there will always be traffic on the internet, and there will always be people surfing the internet. So the last one is the traffic you own. And so what type of traffic is this? The traffic you own is your email list or your SMS contact list. These are the traffic you own. Why? Because as I said in the lead magnet secret, you want to save up your business in case should you block his account. Yeah, let's do that. And they just block your account, and boom, your business is gone, because you are at their mercy and you're working for them, and you're using the traffic you earn / algorithm-based traffic. So you have to work for them and be in their favor for you to be able to get those traffic. When you go against their rule or slightly create content they are not so great and friendly with, you get shut down and you get bounced out from all of your efforts and work. So what you want to do is you want to set up a lead magnet, which is going to be in the center to get those people from where they are to your email list or your phone contact list, SMS list. What this does is it gives you more personalized marketing with them. It gets you more chance for you to be able to connect more with them and nurture this list on a more personal level, because email marketing or SMS marketing is more of a one personal, because when you send this email, it's going straight to the inbox, and it's like a friend sending a friend stuff. So this is how email marketing works, and this is a list which you should be growing every day and working towards converting your Facebook group member, because this group is not for you. This group doesn't belong to you. You're just claiming property for the now and actually nurturing your own brand and using the social media platform to create your own brand. You're leveraging social media traffic. It is not yours. It's still Mark Zuckerberg's property, Instagram, Facebook, Google property, and all of that. You have to create time way to drive those people to your email list so you can now be able to have them. Now, Amazon is like one of the richest e-commerce websites and company in the present. Why do you think that? Do you think it's because it's an e-commerce website and they sell stuff online? No, it's because of the data these people have been able to gather, like massive amount of data. So many people have inserted the credit card details, their name, their Gmail, and all of this. If Amazon is going to be sold tomorrow, it's not going to be sold because of the website or the domain. It's going to be sold because of the data that comes along with the domain. And this is where your email list is actually your business. And this is why top marketers are so very focused on gathering those leads into their email list and getting more people into their email list, because they know that this is where you make the money. This is what you do. This is how you make more connection. This is how you actually secure your business and protect it from any harm coming up now or in the future. So what you really have to do, as you can see, these are just the three types of traffic. As I said, I'm trying to get you to understand the first framework. So let me do a bit of demonstration so you actually get it. So the traffic you want, as you can see here, I'm going to draw, and this sketch is going not to be so friendly, but just stick with me. Just stick with me. So let me say this is the dude, the traffic you own. Okay, this is too much. So let's go. Sorry, I'm going to walk through this, and I just want to get you to understand this a bit more in depth. So let's say this is the traffic you earn. Yeah, this is the traffic you earn. And with those traffic you already earn now, this is a social media platform. Let's say this is you, and this is social media. Social media platforms where you're trying to get organic reach. So it's actually branched into three parts, like here, here, and here. So with the traffic you earn, you can get the algorithm and traffic, which is the A, by creating content for that platform and trying to help them to connect more with their reach. The algorithm AI gives you traffic. And the second way which you can get traffic from this social media platform or trying to get traffic you earn is by actually using the Dream 100. So the Dream 100, by working for the targeted people in the audience which already have the traffic which you desire and leveraging them to get the traffic back to your offers and your sales page. And the third way, which is the first is just working for this search platform. The second is using the Dream 100 and being consistent, because this is the key to making it work with traffic you earn. You have to be consistent since this platform actually trusts you enough to keep giving you more traffic because you're helping their audience. And for this Dream 100 people to actually trust you enough to allow you to share your content and leverage their audience to you, and also with your last part, which is consistency, by actually being and remain consistent, you're going to start getting traffic from these social media platforms to your offer. Like you're going to start getting traffic to your offers from here, here, and here. And all of this traffic are going to convert into the dollar for you. So this is how you actually leverage the traffic with social media platform. But you have to go through the trenches. You have to work and try as much as possible to make this work. Like it's going to be a lot of work. This is where consistency and focus is the third part to making it work, because you have to focus on that platform and actually helping the audience in this platform. And you do this by creating helpful content, which is going to help them and nurture them till they get to know you, like you, and trust you and want to get the offer. So this is the traffic you, and this is how it works. I know it's rough. I know it's not the finest graphic design, but I hope you get the message, that kind of thing. So with the traffic you control, let me go down. So with the traffic you control, let's say this is you. So don't mind me, my sketch is the worst. I know this is the worst sketch. So what you're trying to get, you want traffic, and this various social media platform slash blog slash solo ads, which is email list. These people already have the traffic you want. They have got it and you want it. So what do they want for you? They want you to pay money and they are going to send it your way. So easy peasy. This is transactional type of traffic. So you go to Facebook, you go to blog, you go to the solo ad vendors, and you be like, whoa man, I need this traffic. I want to get the sales to my stuff. I want to test my funnel. I want to have a product which I know is going to help people, and you have these people in your list. Send them my way, and I'm going to pay you this stuff. So this is transactional. The minute you give these people the money they want, the minute you get unlimited traffic, because as many traffic you want, you can pay for it and they're going to send it your way. So you see, you can literally get an abundance of traffic, but you just have to pay for it. And this is the second type of traffic, which is the traffic you control. Now, with this type of traffic, it's not so great for newbies. And why is this? Is because you don't yet have a system which works for you. You don't yet have a business. You haven't yet understand all of the tweaks and everything you need to get your business started. Paying for it is like throwing your money down the drain. So I literally don't invest and I focus very much on just this first part, which is the traffic you earn and the free organic traffic, and also the third part, which is the traffic you own. So with the traffic you own, now this is you. I know the diagram is messy. Just bear with me. So let's say this is you, and you're already on the social media platforms. You already on your social media platforms getting the traffic you earn. So social media traffic you earn, and maybe you already running ads and you're getting the traffic you control. This might be you running a social media ad or solo ad or whatever. And this too is what you're already getting. You're already working for a social media platform. You're already running ads. But right now, all of this stuff belongs to these people until you get it from them and you turn it into yours by sending this traffic to your email list. So when you get these people, this traffic from here and here to your email list, you have already secured one successful person and lead into your business, because this is your business. When this platform decides to shut down or end your account, let's say your ad account got banned, like they don't want you to run ad anymore, you still get this lead you have already generated. When they ban your social media account here on any social media platform you're trying to do an organic reach, you still get your email list and the contact in your email list or your SMS list, because they are yours and they belong to you. So I know I've gone through a lot right now, and I said it's going to be brief. I said it's going to be brief, and it's like going so lengthy. So what I've done here is just giving you the framework, and this is part one. This is part one of the show, and I think if you enjoy this traffic part and you love to see the second part, just need you to comment and actually reply this. I'm going to create a poll later because I know not a lot of people are going to check this out, so I can get back your attention. So if you enjoyed this stuff and you want to see the part two, what you're going to do is just let me know. And next week, if I get a lot of traction, I'm just going to finish this series once. Like I'm going to go to the part two, and the part two, we're going to be focusing more on this, the traffic you earn, and we're going to be focusing more on this, the traffic you control. And with the traffic you control, we're going to be talking more about using lead magnets to generate leads into to generate unlimited traffic to your offers. And with the traffic you own, we're also going to be talking about lead magnets, and also we're going to be talking about how you can get the traffic from various other social media platforms, various other creators and people in your Dream 100 into your own funnel, and also how you can appease the algorithm with AI traffic. So it's going to be a massive series, and it's going to be lengthy. We're going to get to 5 parts, and I'm going to try to solve all of this problem for you, get your traffic problem fixed, and give you clarity on traffic on the internet. And where we've successfully overcome and do all of this, I'm going to move you through the next part, which is going to be content and fixing your content stuff. I know I've shared a lot of stuff already on content, but I feel more people need more stuff, how to come up with inspirational content, what type of ideas to put out in content, what are the winning content, and all of those stuff, so you can get that done. All right, guys, it's actually been fun, and I think I've actually overstayed the time I estimated for this training, but it was lovely that I get to share something with someone out there that might need it. And this is why I do this every day, because if it's even just one person I'm able to help in all of my 2 years in this journey, I am super okay, because I literally changed the life and I saved someone, and I'm very happy for that. So I can, if you feel stuck, or you feel stuck, or you're new to the group, if you're not even new to the group and you also need my help, you can always reach out. I'm here to help you as much as I can. I have an offer which I'm promoting, but I'm first here to help you. And if this offer doesn't fit with you, I'm not going to give you something that's not going to work for you. I'm here to help, as I said. And when you need any of this help, be sure to roll out your boy. I'll be here to give you everything I've gotten and I've gathered in my 2 years journey in this. All right, guys, just wanted to share